In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pump.Fun by bot in Telegram group. To get started, open Telegram on your device. In the search bar, look for the Pump.Fun by bot you want to use, such as a supported buy tracker that matches your needs. Once you find the correct bot, open its chat. From there, tap Start to activate it. This step is important because many bots will not let you continue until they've been started at least once in a direct chat. After the bot is active, the next step is to add it to your Telegram group. Inside the bot chat, tap Add to Group if that option is available. Telegram will then show you your groups and you can choose the one where you want buy notifications to appear. Once you select the group, confirm that you want to add the bot. Make sure you're adding it to the correct group, especially if you manage multiple communities. Now open the Telegram group where you added the bot. Go into the group settings, then open group info and find the administrator section. Here, check that the bot has the permissions it needs in order to work properly. In most cases, that includes permission to post messages, and in some cases, permission to read messages if the bot requires that for setup or commands. Keep in mind that the exact permissions can vary depending on which bot you're using, so it's worth reviewing them carefully before moving on. Once permissions are set, it's time to configure the bot. Open the group chat and send the setup command the bot uses, such as /start or /config, depending on its instructions. The bot will usually prompt you to link the token you want to track. When asked, paste the token's contract address, also known as the C. Double check that the address is correct before continuing, since even a small mistake can cause the bot to track the wrong token. After that, save the configuration so the bot can begin monitoring activity. If your bot supports extra options, you can also customize the notifications. Many buy bots allow you to adjust things like the minimum buy amount before a message is posted, custom emojis, message formatting, or buy notification thresholds. These options are optional, and the exact customization features will depend on the bot you selected. Finally, test the bot to make sure everything is working. You can do that by making a small test purchase of the configured token, or by waiting for a new buy to happen naturally. Then check your Telegram group to confirm that the bot posts a notification. If nothing appears, go back and review the bot's configuration and permissions. Once it's posting correctly, your setup is complete.